Okay guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to use this section here, this send notifications. So firstly, this category management. So let's see what this is based on. As you can see here, the header, you can leave this blank to display the automatic and the default message. So and you can input something there. This is just like a category, like a newsletter, like update. You can create many category of notification. So let me just post newsletter at the header. So create categories or the title. You can put the title as anything you wish. So let me just choose newsletter as the title as well. Okay, so I'm using newsletter as I said. So click on save after you done inputting it, and as well you can edit it by using this pencil icon over here. You can change this thing here. Let me use update at the first one. So let me change this to update. Okay, update. Okay. Okay, click on save once you're done. So in this area you can leave it blank to put the automatic message. So I'm leaving it at blank, so I don't need to put anything here. Okay, so now let's scroll down. So as you can see, click on save after you're done. And one thing, let me explain the create separator as well. You know there's a separator here. Let me go back to this category. Okay, and this separator is like what you're seeing on the screen. So let me create a separator. Let me just put newsletter. I'm just using this as a tutorial. Make sure it's more, professional when you're doing yours. So it's like what you're seeing on the screen. Once you create a separator, under the separator as well, you can create another section. This will just be like the header that will be on top of it. So that's it. So now guys, let's go to the new message. So let's send a new message. The title of the message, like you can put something like maybe uh new update, like the main point of the message. You can put it here, and the subtitle, what are the content of the message, and the maximum value you can put here is 30 as wrote in the front of it. So now you can short this thing, so you can just put anything. As you can see, I said you can watch full movie, so you can put anything there, and you can also upload an image of the thing you want user to see. So you can just upload the image here, and once a user click on the note and the message, what section should it open? If you put it in app, that means the default, nothing will change. But if you click on the section one, you have to select the section and you have to click on this checkbox. So that will make sure that okay, this is the section that will open. And if you click on web, you can put the web there. If you click on custom message, the user will custom a message to send to you, same as the send message as well. If a user click on this thing, it will take them to the office section, which I've explained earlier. So and the person will message you. Okay, that's it. So I'm using section, guys. So and the one that says the replace last is like as wrote in the front of it, only applied to user which haven't opened the notification. So if you click on yes, that means it will send to only user who haven't opened their notification. But if you click on no, it will send to a user. You can select the category. We create categories here. You can click the category of the message. So only users subscribe to this category will receive the message. Okay, that's why I choose update. This is update thing about the application. So and you can select all category. It depends on the message content. Okay, so now let's go to the okay, before that, click it will shows the preview of the message you want to send, so you can review it. So as you can see, then what, click on send, and in some minutes the message will be sent to the user. So now let me check my application. Let's see if the message has successfully dropped. And as you can see, I don't even open the app and the message is already being shown in here. So let me, as you can see here, I don't even open the app. So let me click on it. Let's see the section that it will open. If you can remember, I selected Dove TVs to open once the user click on the notification. So let's see if Dove TV will open. And as you can see, this is the Dove TV. It automatically open once I click on the notification. So as you can see here, this thing is perfectly working fine. So guys, even though you go to the notification icon up at the top bar, even though you click on the notification sent there as well, it also open this Dove TV as well. So before we try that, let me show you the setting we made, the category we created the other time. Once a user click on this setting icon that I am clicking on right now, it shows them this thing. As you can see, this is the all setting we made in the category. As you can see, once a user of this thing, that means that the user does not want to receive any notification which you set as the update. So or newsletter or anything the user of this thing. If a user of this thing, that means that it won't receive any notification from this section. So guys, that's what this is useful for. And this subscription of here, if you can remember what I said, that we should leave blank. So the header that I said you should leave blank, you can customize it as your wish, but I leave it blank to show the default message. So that's how this is working, guys. So now let me show you. Even though a user click on the notification send in the notification center as well, it will also open the Dove TV. I just click on it. So let's see if Dove TV will open or not. So this is just white right now. Let's see if it will open Dove TV or not. You can see this also open the Dove TV, guys. So this thing is perfectly working. So now let's get back to our AppCreator24 website and continue with our tutorial. The next one is the ad center. On this ad center, the Admob ID unit that you are seeing here is not actually right. This is how it look, but this is not working right now. So guys, I'm going to be explaining this later, so let's keep this for now. On my next tutorial, by God's grace, I will deal with Admob. I will teach you how you can create account and got approved by them on next tutorial. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. So let's move to the static one. The statistic here is to shows how many users using your app presently, the rate your app is being downloaded. So that's what this is useful for. As you can see, we have only one user using our app throughout this month. So as you can see, so download those as well. This is 0 download, as you can see, 0 install. So no one install this application because you haven't publicly. And this download app is to download the app you created. So that's what this is useful for. So, and guys, this will be the end of today's tutorial. Our next tutorial, I will talk about this Admob. Probably I may be uploading the next tutorial on Thursday, which is tomorrow, or on Friday. That is when I'm going to upload this Admob tutorial. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye. And don't forget, you can drop anything you wish me to tell you or teach you on about this AppCreator24 or anything about which concern creating app or website. Just make sure you drop it in the comment section, guys. You can contact me by checking my number in the description. You can message me on my social medias like Facebook, Instagram. Just check the link, my social media name in the description. Thank you guys. Bye.